mas i-prefer ko yung original. And you had it. One thing is that when you produce a video, sabi nga ni Bane kanina, please look good in camera. Wear makeup, and kasi nasa isang factor ng isang magandang video is yung maganda tingnan yung characters. Okay? So, be very sure that when you shoot video, everyone will look. Mapapansin mo kahit yung mga pulubi sa kahit ng video, mini-makeup pa yan. So, they would look good on camera. And put some lights, put some good lights. And yung damit, ganyan natin. And when, you have to know this, when you perform in a camera, when you perform in front of camera, nakaband kayo, make sure that you will really move yourselves. Don't stay in one place because it would not be a good output. Okay? Or else you use a technique sa camera na iba-ibang side, excuse me, iba-ibang side, iba-ibang angle at a very short moment. And so, yun, I like your song. And ano ba? Ang ganda ng effects. Okay, nung isa yung mga taong sumabog, na-disintegrate. I like that. Also sa video rin, make sure that from the first part of the video hanggang matapos, they should have parang the same effect. Okay? They should have an effect na hindi, ganitong scene, ibang effect, ganitong scene, ibang effect. Hindi pwede yan. Lahat-lahat ng scene, halos magkakapareho dapat. And so yun. I know guys, you can improve much. And kung ako sa inyo, ituloy niyo yung pagbabanda ninyo. And see you there na.
And how about the group sa La Chata, the Spotlight?
Yeah. Okay, Spotlight. One thing I like about you girls is that you look good on camera. Maganda yung attitude ng camera ninyo, attitude ng angling ng camera. A few seconds, another spot in a few seconds. So para bang hindi nagiging boring yung video ninyo. Magaganda yung steps ninyo, and sabi nga ni kanina, Rain, is that nagiging useful kayo sa camera. One thing is that again, yung effects ng camera nyo, ng video nyo should have parang mayroon siyang monotony of effect. Kapag nag-decide kayo na maraming kulay, from the start to the end, dapat maraming kulay. Pag mag-decide kayo na konting kulay lang, 3, 4, or 2 to 4 colors, gano'n na. Gano'n na hanggang mag-end yung video. And you have pretty good faces when it comes to camera projection. So, congratulations sa inyo.
And our last entry, the one is on Breaking Free, our chance.
Yeah, Breaking Free. You took a risk of making a parang drama out of a good song. Okay, again, it's a good song. I like the song, but I think that kind of risk should be taken next time with careful estimation and careful direction. Again, Arjans, you're making a drama out of a video, and it's not that easy to do, especially when people will be expecting you to be dancing, people will be expecting you to be singing, and then there you are doing something different. Okay, one factor to do that is that when you are the star of the show, when you are those people on the movie. Okay, so be very, very careful next time. I know it would work the next time you do it, but I would really, really suggest that do some actions regarding the video. Okay, para bang it's like this. Make the video speak for itself. Okay, behind your actions, behind your moves. A video that is good is that the audiences will be captivated by it. Okay, so I believe naman all of you can do it. I believe all of you has the capacity to do it. So, good song, little improvement, tweaking with the performances, and put some moves next time. Well, congratulations again to all of you because it was a very close fight. generally, everybody did their best. And I believe you can improve more as you continue.
Okay, first and foremost, I'd like to congratulate everyone for doing a really good job. I don't know if it's your first time or what, but then it's a great job nonetheless. Okay, with the intersection that the originality, what really caught me about this video is originality, which is really interesting. Although there's still a lot you can do to really upgrade the quality of the video, the characters in the video, the location of the video, the choreography of the video, the procedure video. But then really striking, that's very notable in this video is the originality, and that's one thing that I think a lot of people would really want to see. Okay, with Spotlight, yung pinokopyan yung Korean theme, I think it's good. Although I was really trying to really see the originality of the video, but then maganda siya. Although you could have made some more improvements with the subtitles sana para mas enjoyable for the viewers. Kasi like ako personally, for one thing, I think Filipinos really like the subtitles kahit na hindi nila mabasa or hindi nila naiintindihan. But then I think it's more enjoyable watching something na may subtitles, and para mas makakasayaw sila. I mean, kahit na mag-hum-hum lang sila. I think that's one thing notable na pwede nyong i-improve on. And then so yung lighting nyo, and then yung change of locations, change of scenery, I think it's really good then. Whoever your director is, that's a really good job. And something to improve upon. Siguro more finesse, more edge in your dancing moves, more acting skills maybe, more focus, the zooms. There's a lot more to improve in your videos. But I really like to congratulate you for doing a good job. I don't know if this is your nth time of doing the video, but then really good job. But 4 days, if you did the job for 4 days, I'd like to see more of the night shots with that. That thing I didn't really see, or the sunrise or sunset shots, or the midday shots. You could have experimented more on the quality, on the location, on the time of the day na mag-shoot sana kayo. But then, yeah, I think that's one thing that you should really look into for your next videos. Okay, for audience naman, I think yung Breaking Free hindi nyo na bigyan ng justice for me. One thing I really noticed about the video